Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and securing the workspace, safety first. Once done, remove external power and open the device carefully, using insulated gloves when handling connectors. Measure battery voltage with a multimeter to confirm whether it's below nominal. This tells you if replacement or calibration is needed. Make sure to note battery model and capacity so you can source an exact match. If the reading is within expected range, proceed to the next step for deeper testing and conditioning. You now run detailed tests on each cell and the protection circuitry. This exposes imbalance or high internal resistance that reduces runtime. Use a cell tester to measure each cell's voltage and resistance and compare values to spot a failing cell. If connectors or solder joints show corrosion, clean and reflow them, because poor connections produce heat and voltage drop. Once you replace faulty cells or repair joints, charge slowly to balance cells and verify stable voltages before reassembly. You finish by reassembling and initiating a monitored charge with the manufacturer-recommended charger. Watch for abnormal heat or rapid voltage drop. Once charged, perform a calibration cycle. Fully discharge under load, then fully charge to help the fuel gauge relearn capacity. If performance doesn't improve, swap in a known good charger and battery to isolate the issue, or inspect the device's power management IC. Troubleshoot tip: if symptoms persist, a parasitic drain or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.